Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning the area and positioning yourself. Use a gentle cleanser to remove oils so the thread grips hair. Once done, cut 18 to 24 inches of 100% cotton thread and tie a secure loop. This gives control and prevents snapping. Make sure your face is well lit and tilt your head so the hairlines are visible. Hold the loop with both hands and rotate into a twisted section. This is the working zone. Now you're ready to engage individual hairs with controlled twists. You form the twist by pulling one hand toward you while the other pushes away, creating roughly 6 to 10 tight turns. Tension is key so the twist grabs hair. Next, position the twisted segment over the row of hairs you intend to remove, press gently against the skin, and roll the twist away from the hairline. This traps hairs in the coil. When you pull the thread ends apart sharply and slide, the trapped hairs are lifted from the follicle. Make small passes to avoid irritation. You finish by calming the skin. Apply a cool compress or aloe to reduce redness and inflammation. Once done, inspect for stray or broken hairs. If a hair breaks instead of exiting, retwist and target the shorter hair, or use clean tweezers to remove it. If you see persistent redness or bumps, avoid further threading for 24 hours and skip exfoliation until at least 48 hours later. Make sure to moisturize, and going forward, thread at regular intervals to keep growth uniform and manageable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.